Hi, here at H.Mitchell Car Sales, we're very pleased to be able to offer for sale this 2017 Hyundai i10 1.2 Premium. This car's finished in polar white. It's had the roof wrapped in black. It's got the LED daytime driving lights, front fog lights, body coloured door mirrors with side repeaters, rear privacy glass, got the 14-inch alloy wheels, body coloured door handles. Inside the car you've got the charcoal grey cloth upholstery with the wavy patterned centre panels. Rear passenger area, so the rear of the car you've got room for 3 passengers. ISOFIX fixing points for the baby seat. Electric rear window openings. Moving round to the rear of the car now. To the rear load area you've got the 60-40 split folding rear seats for extra storage space. And this car's fitted with the space saver spare wheel. Moving round onto the driver's side of the car now. Inside the car on the driver's door you've got the controls for the electric windows all round, electric mirror adjustment. On the dashboard you've got the controls to deactivate the stop start. Centre console you've got a 12 volt power point, and this car is also fitted with an accessory of the centre armrest which folds away. $35,441 miles. USB and auxiliary port, another 12 volt plug-in for accessories. You've got the climate control, and then the media system. So on the media system you've got the FM, DAB and AM radio stations. You've got the Bluetooth connectivity so as you can play music from an external device. Cradle for the mobile phone. Controls on the steering wheel for answering and rejecting calls. On the other side you've got the controls for the cruise control, the speed limiter. Moving back outside the car, an identification plate that tells it's the Hyundai i10 Premium. Okay, I hope you find this video informative. Any further questions regarding this car, please contact us by phoning 01924 411 323 or send an email to mail@hmitchellcarsales.co.uk. Thank you for watching. Look forward to your inquiry. Bye.